Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have one of my favorites, a 1969 Chevrolet Corvette convertible Stingray. This is a 350 L46 car, numbers matching. And guys and gals, yes, this thing is been restored. Dual exhaust setup on the car, correct wheel and tire package on the car, which is actually period correct. Look at the stance on this beautiful restored Malsani Blue 69 Stingray Corvette, guys. The stance is excellent on the car. The quality is excellent on the car, from the paint to the interior to underneath the engine compartment, the driving. Everything about this car is exactly what you're looking for. Well, let me catch my breath now. Okay. This 69 Corvette is now available here at MGM Classic Cars. There is no flaws in the paint. It is done correctly. It has gotten a restored in the last 3 years, and the paint lays on this car excellent. All the chrome is good on the car. The interior is all brand new. Very soft leather. You got speakers upgraded in the back. On the convertible top, it is a black soft cloth that really complements the car. There's your setup there. 350, 380 on the torque, 4-speed manual, upgraded stereo, as you can see there. No complaints on the interior. It does have tilt wheel as well. Underneath, super clean. Please check out my photos. Let's pop the hood. I just want to show you guys this. A lot of upgrades with the chrome, as you can see. Let's check out the other side. Upgraded with headers, 4-barrel carb. Super clean, restored, very nice. All right, let's fire this baby up. Previous owner told me the mileage is original. I don't have any proof, guys, but that's what he told me. But then he did restore the car. So that's the story on it. It drives like a brand new car and everything functions. Drives, stops, excellent. Anybody that comes and sees this car in person is writing the check. This is a no complaint car. The paint is excellent, the interior is excellent, it drives excellent, and it looks excellent, guys. It does the part. One of the nicest 69 convertibles that I've seen in a long time, guys. Drives super nice as well. MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. We're 20 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport, 45 minutes from Midway Airport. For those of you who need financing, if your credit score is a 625 to 725, fill out the application at mgmclassiccars.com. And if your credit score is 725 or higher, go directly to lightstream.com and fill out the application, guys. Once again, thank you for watching mgmclassiccars.com. If you guys are watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. How do you do that? Click the red subscribe button on the bottom right of your screen. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it. Let's let the fans know that you're looking to buy a Corvette. Let's keep the muscle car, classic car industry going. These things are great tangible assets, guys. And you can see the prices are going up and up. Have fun, spend some of your money. You will not regret it. All right, we're headed back to MGM now. Got about 100 cars in our dealership. Please check us out at the website that I mentioned. For those of you who need delivery, we offer driveway delivery, insured right to your doorstep. So my phone number is 847-848-1850, and my name is Thomas. I do prefer text message over email. I can definitely get back to you guys quicker through text message. Okay? But if you don't text message, leave me a voicemail at the end of the beep, and I will get back to you. Again, my name is Thomas. mgmclassiccars.com is the name of the game, guys. I can be reached at 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching.